upgrading this Jeep with power locks. Alright, here we're recording how hard is it to do a door actuator on a Jeep Wrangler.
On the Wrangler.
So far, Sonny had to remove everything that goes inside the door, all the guts of the door. So it's over here. Unlocked, so it actually works. Alright, it works, Sonny.
Yeah,
good job.
Right. It's factory. You can't make you cannot make it work. It's factory.
Thank you much. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Happy with the work?
Yes, very happy.
Alright. You recommend our shop?
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you.